Hi guys! Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam sa Taskverse, ito yung isa sa mga AI agent or website na nagbabayad by recording your daily chores, recording your tasks, and submitting other videos. Para lang din siyang Luwel AI, but different is that dito hindi tayo magsasalita or pwede magsalita but most of the time magvi-video lang tayo. Kung hindi nyo pa guys alam yung Taskverse, you guys can go to Facebook and search for Taskverse and you can see all the withdrawal proof of the users. Ask Us Holdings Inc. has sent you $7 and dito guys lahat ng proof of withdrawal. So, which means that paying yung site at ang dami nang nakatanggap ng payment nila from Taskverse. At kung masipag ka nga guys, no, mas malaki yung may ipon ninyo or may earn ninyo dito sa site na to. Kung hindi nyo pa guys na-try si Taskverse, much better to sign up now if you are available or if you're looking for another paying site. But here in Taskverse, whether you are from other countries like in the Indonesia, Pakistan, India, you can also join with Taskverse. So, walang limitation dito guys sa country. Sa Philippines, you can also join and yun nga, a lot of people or users have already received their payment. So, all you need to do is sign up an account. I'll also include the link on the description box and just create your account. Make sure to complete the profile. You just basically answer the questions here like about yourself and payout information. So the payout will be paid through PayPal. You guys need to have a PayPal account para ma-receive nyo yung payment nyo doon. And check out referral program. So meron nga din guys silang referral program dito where you can also like get additional income or commissions by inviting your friends. Okay, let's say for example, let's answer the questions. Do you have any experience about working in content moderation? Madali lang naman guys yung questions and it won't take much of your time. What is your field of study? Yan, ito na lang. And what is which is your dominant hand? Right? So, it's 12 questions, guys. There are 12 questions here that you need to answer. Pero basic lang yun. And after you guys answer the 12 questions, you need to add payout. But I'll do it later because I need to figure out my PayPal account. And after you complete this your profile, you can go to tasks. Training. Guys, first you need to complete this training, okay? Yan, passing score 60%. Yan, i-click nyo lang yan and then you need to click launch assessment. Makita nyo yung questions. And guidelines, multiple choice. Let's try this. English assessment test. Ano lang talaga siya? Language assessment guys. So, kailangan nyo dito ng 60% pataas para makapag-start kayo ng task. Okay? For example, number 1 ay and multiple choice. Yan. Easy. Choose the word or phrase which has a similar meaning. Not difficult. Report. And submit. So, huwag kayong matakot guys na magkamali kasi ayun naman dito, pwede kayong mag-retake kapag bagsak kayo. Let's see kung nakapasa ba tayo. Ayun, may assessment. Oh no. Your score is 33.3%. Launch assessment. So, retake natin kasi mahina daw tayo sa English language test. Ayan. Pwede naman natin guys ulitin. The man wearing the... Ayan. And then... Ayan guys. Submit natin. Ayan. Test result. 66.7%. So, pass. And after you guys pass the assessment, you can now go to tasks. So, dito nyo guys makikita yung available task. Okay, na pwede nyo sulihan. Get paid to record your everyday life. So, anything, as long as it's your everyday task, you can record it. So, how will you pay that? Earn $4 for every hour of video you submit. And submit 40 hours or equivalent to $160 or more. Yan guys. Kung masipag na kayo, ready kayo. Ano ba yung mga i-record natin? Yan. You can record your tasks like sweeping, dusting, organizing, washing dishes, yan, laundry, pet care, home and outdoor chores. Basically, anything that you are doing every day. You can record them and upload them here. But you guys make sure to read this instruction, okay? Para hindi ma-reject yung submission ninyo. And that's all guys. If you have question, you can ask me below. And click the link in the description box to register and start earning now. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe.